Protests, riots and many other labor-related disputes have lately been the order of the day in Zambia. At the center of all this controversy is the revised minimum wage for domestic and general workers. However, most employers seem to be grappling in meeting this revised minimum wage benchmark set by Labour Minister Faxon Shamenda. In trying to find a solution to labor problems in the country, a two-day tripartite consultative Labour Council meeting has been organized in Lusaka. The meeting is supposed to involve government, employers and workers. Government is ably represented by Mr. Shamenda and his officials, while the labor movement is also part of this meeting. But one of the key stakeholders, Zambia Federation of Employers, representing employers in the country, has stayed away, saying the environment for the consultative meeting is not conducive.
The environment is not conducive for us to go in the tripartite. If the minister had called for a tripartite to go and discuss the minimum wages, we would have gone. In fact, when they announced the tripartite, which was postponed to what is taking place today, we wrote to the acting Labour Commissioner and indicated that we'll be willing to have the minimum wage issue on the agenda of the tripartite.
Other unions, however, feel government has to be supported in implementing the minimum wage.
Labour tripartite, it has been there for some time. It's not just because of these strikes that have been engulfed our country, no. They have been there. And these are the places where we meet and discuss, and where we resolve matters that maybe cannot just hear them in the paper, hear different angles, but here when we meet, we resolve them amicably and move forward.
This tripartite consultative meeting isn't as a result of all these agreements as far as things are purported as for now. This is something that has been agreed upon so that we are, we'll be meeting to review certain things in the labor laws, to try and review for the betterment of, running the labor movement and the government plus the employers in one direction.
Labor market analysts have pointed out that the consultative process should have been a prerequisite to the revised minimum wage. Francis Lungu, Muvi TV News in Lusaka.